there is no Bailey because she's actually in the pillow. She found a better spot. How she did it? Bailey. Bailey. Come out. You better come out of there. Come on. I gotta go. Bailey. I have to go. Come on. I gotta go. You need to get out of there. I have to go. I gotta go to CrossFit. Come on. Hey. Come out of there. I see you. Come on. Nice try. Come on. Now. Let's go. Good job. You're going locked away now. That was your best one yet.